Hi there, I'm Nicole with Caleb's Mom Shop, and I wanted to do a video on how I attach my hangers on my grapevine wreaths. When I first started making wreaths, I had a very hard time finding videos or how-to videos, any kind of tutorial on how to attach like a hanger to your grapevine. Here's the grapevine. So I thought, these are two methods that I have been using and I have learned along the way. So I thought I would pass it on to you all, and hopefully this will help you. Again, I'm going to do two different methods. The first one is the one I use quite quite a lot. Words are hard right now. And so I just use this twine wire. It's like a wire that's wrapped and it looks really nice. And I get this on Amazon, and I will attach the link in my description of the video. And so what I'm going to do is, this is very simple. You can do it either before you create your grapevine wreath or afterwards. I do it both. So for this video, I am going to attach it before I fill in all my elements. So again, I'm going to take this wire, and I don't really measure it, but I'll just say like 22 inches. But again, depending on how much support you want, how much wire you have, and here you go. So it's like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over. So this is the back of it. So if I'm working on the grapevine, I'm going to put all my elements along this way. So this is the back. And I'm going to take the wire, so it's like a little U, okay? And I'm going to insert it where I want the hanger to be, on the top center. And I'm going to stick it in between the grapevine, like so. And depending on how tight the grapevine is, put together, so it's gonna go right through it like this, okay? So you have your little, it's now like a little circle, and your two pieces, your two ends. And then I'm just gonna hook it inside, like in it, like this, okay? Can you see it like that? So it was like I hooked it through, and now I'm gonna put it inside the little circle and pull it as tight as you, however long you want this. So this is gonna be your hanger, okay? And you're just gonna put it through like that, okay? And then you're just gonna twist the circle so you have like a few twists. So now you have it like this. You can see they're like, okay? And then I'm just going to spin those two ends around the twist that you made, like so. All right, and get it good and tight and make it look nice, like make it look pretty. And there you go. It's very durable. It's not going anywhere. And again, you can make this circle as big, as small as you want. But now when you hang it, there you go. So that, I think, is super simple, super easy. And that is the method that I usually use. But if you want to spruce it up a bit, add a little ribbon to your hanger, you can also do this method. So here's another grapevine. Again, it's bare. And I'm going to you would take the ribbon that you're using in your bow, or that complements your greenery, your florals, whatever you're using. For this tutorial, I'm just going to use this ribbon. I think I got it at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, one of the two. So I'm going to measure, and again, it all depends on how long you want your grapevine wreath to hang from the hook. So I'm just going to start off hooping. Okay, because you're going to need some extra ribbon on the top for the tails to hang over. So you're going to measure it. So say you want it to hang like this much, you're gonna need a little more, because you'll see. So So for this demonstration, I'm going to do, I'll measure it for you. I'm going to do about 35 inches, okay? 35 inches of ribbon, maybe 36. And where are my scissors? Okay. All right, got my scissors. So again, I'm going to measure out 36 inches of ribbon. Okay. So here, again, it all depends on your preference, how long you want. So you're going to loop it in through your grapevine wreath, okay? Like so. And then I want it to be like this. So I want these two tails to hang like this, okay? So wherever you want, so I'm just gonna squish it in like so. And then I'm gonna take a zip tie that I had. There you go. A very thin zip tie right here. And I'm going to zip tie where I just squish the ribbon in. Okay. So you got that, but now how are you gonna hang it? You can't hang it like this, right? No. As my son says, no, no, no. All right, okay. So you're gonna cut it. And now you're gonna take a piece of that same like rustic wire that we used in the previous hanger. Okay, I'm gonna need it a little longer this time because I'm gonna wrap it around. I want to make sure that this covers the zip tie, so you can't see the zip tie. So I'll do this about 30 inches. Again, this is just for instructional purposes, okay? So and instead of wrapping it through the actual grapevine, okay, you're gonna, however long you want your, or however large you want your hook to be, so like this, okay? And you'll, I need a little smaller. There we go. And you'll do the same thing. You're gonna twist it, so it kind of gives it a little like twisty look. Like that. Just so it gives it a little character, a little something. And then you're gonna take these pieces and you're gonna wrap it along the actual zip tie and along the ribbon. And you want to make sure that whole zip tie on all sides is hidden. And make sure it's not too bulgy or, excuse me. Okay, and just keep going with it. And you can, you know, divide the two ends, you know, and look at that. So now you have a hanger that is a little more decorative, excuse me. And then you can go ahead and cut you can ducktail the ends. There. So you have two different methods or techniques, I guess, to attach a hanger to your grapevine wreath. Number one, very basic. And then if you want to just give it a little more extra, you can attach the ribbon. So again, I hope this helped you. For all you new wreath makers out there, you know, this is just something I learned along the way. And I was very happy when I found somebody, when I found a video that showed me how to attach these, because I had no idea. You should have seen the wreaths in the beginning. I was taking zip ties and it was a disaster. So I hope this helps you. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also check out my Etsy shop with all my current wreaths that are available. Caleb's Mom Shop. .etsy.com. You can join also on my email list. There is a link in the description to this video. If you subscribe, you will get a 20% off coupon off your first purchase off my Etsy shop. So I suggest you go and check that out. The email is really fun. It's something new, and I am having a lot of fun with it. So come on and join, be one of the first few members to participate and just, you know, enjoy this journey with me. Again, I'm Nicole with Caleb's Mom Shop, and I hope you enjoyed this video. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.